What is up, KT Nation? It's your girl KT, and I'm back with another video on how to use an order on the Dairy Queen app. So first things first, sign in or sign up. But wait a minute, you might be wondering why you should make an account. And it's pretty simple, reward points. And to finish making your account, fill in the following information. And you've made it. This is the last stage for filling out your rewards. Now, the Stay Connected page. And this is where you choose what emails you do or don't want. I would recommend transactional alerts, just because if you do end up attaching your card as a payment method, this way when you are ordering something, you get that email right away as soon as the transaction goes through. That way, if there's any theft, you know exactly what's going on. Your Dairy Queen location. So when choosing your location, you want to pick the closest location to you. Now, the cool thing about the Dairy Queen app is that it automatically shows you what Dairy Queen is closest to you. Now, I know that some people might order food for other people, so in this case, if you have their zip code, go ahead and enter it in the search bar. This way, the Dairy Queen closest to that person should pop up. Now that we've made it to the menu, here's everything that the Dairy Queen app has to offer on their menu. So this looks good, the chicken strip basket. But for this order, I'm going with the 3-piece. Now that you've selected your meal, go ahead and customize it. Now that you've completed your order, hit add to bag, choosing your pickup method. So we have two options, drive-through or pickup. Now with drive-through, you just drive through. Now with pickup, if you do go inside the restaurant, you might have to stand in line. If everything looks good on your order, go ahead and hit checkout. And the final step to completing your order is adding your payment method. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.